Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, ziyakhala ngapha. Hey bo, it looks like uMaNgcwabe guys is finally like doing what she's been saying she's going to do. Because guys, we see on the trailer of tomorrow's episode that uMaNgcwabe is going to be having a conversation nengane yakhe uMawande. Is it uMawande or uAwande? One of the two, but you're welcome to correct me. I don't think she would go to the extent of having a conversation like this with her child if there was no truth in it. But the conversation she was saying, she was saying something about she knows ukuthi it affects ingane ukuthi the ukuthi yena nobaba wakhe, which is uMusa Mseleku, are no longer staying in the same place. So I'm just like, hi bo maNgcwabe guys. Maybe guys, the reason why she's still been appearing on Uthando Nesthembu, maybe she's bound by a contract. But again, I'm saying I don't think she would go to the extent of having a conversation about her and uMusa staying in separate places, nengane, if there was no seriousness to this. This kind of did make me sad because I'm looking at the daughter's facial expression and you can see she's deeply saddened, you guys. And it just made me think of Unokuzana Umnini. Guys, we've watched Umnini grow up throughout all of these seasons, and one thing most of us can say about Umnini is a very uyazihlekela. He likes jokes, he likes laughing. That is Umnini, and he likes crying. But this season, you guys, we're seeing a different Umnini. He is extremely sad. I can't remember the last time, or if on this season I've seen Umnini being happy. He's extremely sad. And you know what they say, you guys? When the animals, some saying which when the animals fight, it's the grass beneath them that gets to suffer. Guys, lendaba yengane esithembini, it really looks like we're going to be seeing a glimpse of that. But I am just like so concerned. uMaNgcwabe is living at a crucial time where uMusa seems to need her the most. Remember guys, uMaNgcwabe did say ukuthi this 50th birthday kaMusa, ukuthi it is her farewell, it is her way of saying bye-bye Musa Mseleku. And it looks like guys, she was not joking. But I also saw another snippet where uMusa is crying, telling Usne, like opening up to Usne or something like that. And that kind of concerned me. What is it that makes uMusa cry so much, you guys, when it comes to this aspect of death? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. Maybe try and explain it to me. But according to my experience, when a person is sick and you've come so close to death, it's almost as if you accept your fate and you're like, you know what? I'm going to meet with my maker. I'm at peace at it. But the way uMusa cries, you guys, like it worries me. Is it that he feels like he's not ready to die? Is it that he feels like izono zakhe ziningi? Or what is it? Because I'm just like, uMusa, I don't know if he's afraid of death, or I don't know, it's the fear of uncertainty of leaving his family at a time he did not expect. But I'm just like, I don't know. There's just something that I'm not getting about that, because I know abantu abagulayo, they will even tell you, police, like they will prepare their way to leave. But uMusa, it's like he's fighting with it in a sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, you guys. But anyway, let's park it right there before I khuluma izinto engingazazi, because vele angizazi. It's just my analysis from what I'm reading, guys, or what I'm watching rather. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next